Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taboo Foodies. If you love chocolate desserts but want a healthier option without compromising on taste, this recipe is worth trying. This chocolate lemon cheesecake is rich, creamy, super yummy and full of lemony chocolate flavor. It's high in protein, lower in fat than a traditional cheesecake and it's very simple to make. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first, let's make the cheesecake crust. Into a blender, add 1/3 cup almonds, 3/4 cup oats, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Blend until it turns into a fine flour. Transfer the flour to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon water. Mix again until everything comes together. Transfer the crust mixture to a parchment paper lined cheesecake pan. Using the back of a spoon, press it down evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Let it cool slightly while we prepare the cheesecake filling. Into a blender, add 1 cup thick and creamy yogurt. I'm using skyr, which is low in fat, high in protein. If you don't have skyr, you can use Greek yogurt or hunk curd. Just make sure it's thick and creamy and not watery. Now add 2 tablespoons warm milk mixed with 2 teaspoons instant coffee, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 100 grams of mashed or roughly chopped paneer, the zest of 1 large lemon. Just grate the yellow part and avoid the white part. Two tablespoons lemon juice, half cup tightly packed dates, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Blend until this mixture turns smooth and creamy. Pour the filling over the cold crust. Gently tap the pan to remove any air bubbles. Place it on a sheet of aluminum foil and wrap the foil around the pan. Now place the pan inside a larger baking tray and pour in about an inch of hot water. The water bath helps minimize cracks. Since this cheesecake is eggless and contains a generous amount of cocoa powder, a small few cracks are completely normal. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. The cheesecake is perfectly baked. Let it cool completely. Now keep it in the fridge to set for at least 4 to 5 hours. It's been 5 hours, so let's unmold the cheesecake. Don't worry if you see a few cracks, we are going to cover them with some dark chocolate shavings. Here I'm using 70% dark chocolate. Now top it up with some fresh lemon zest. This rich, creamy chocolate cheesecake is the perfect balance of health and indulgence. It's high in protein, lower in fat, and absolutely delicious. Whether you are making dessert for a party, a family get-together, or simply treating yourself, this recipe is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are a chocolate fan, you will love this tangy chocolatey cheesecake. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.